fantastic day. In today's video, we're finally going to fix the Civic.
As you guys know, the Supercharger on my R18 gave out a couple months back, and I finally got around to ordering a brand new C30-74 from Jackson Racing to replace it. The installation process is pretty straightforward. The first step is to obviously remove the old unit using the proper hex tool. A ratchet adapter can definitely come in handy for this. Next up, we remove the oil in and out fittings as well as the old filter and catch can.
Put this nasty boy over there. Grab a good old new Supercharger. Oh crap, I gotta shit.
He's gonna take everything off.
After aligning the new unit and getting the belt back on, we began installing the new banjo oil fittings and line. Before connecting the new lines, be sure to drain the system using a blowgun. We then proceeded to fully tighten all of the hex bolts holding the Supercharger in place.
Oh, this has been done straight.
What's up, Jay?
Good?
Yeah.
Once everything is bolted back on, it's necessary to prime the system with oil and once again use a blowgun to ensure not to run the Supercharger dry. After double checking everything, it's time to start the car.
Just like that, the Civic is back. However, since I'm in California, it might be a while before I get this thing smogged, especially since it's a newer car. So you might not see track videos for a while from this. But I have something back there that will dust this thing. Let me know what you guys think. See you on the next one.